and I just hope you do it. Look at that iron catch on fire. I don't think that's really iron. We're just getting started.
You can smell it too.
That baby welds got its own distinct smell. People bring boats in here all the time. The guy at the auto place told me to put the glue on my leaky boat. That's probably actually holding up better than I would have guessed.
Yeah?
What's that? Oh yeah, that's JB Weld. I know that smell. I'm hoping the guy just put a skim coat, you know?
Right.
That's what I would think that the magnet would have popped underneath. Yeah.
Just your hands. Your hands and your voice.
That went all the way through there.
So what is that stuff that you're coming off actually made out of? Is it like a plastic or?
Yeah, chemically I couldn't exactly say what's in glue.
Okay.
Some kind of resin, you know, and it's a two-part.
Yeah.
You can buy it anywhere for like $10 for a tube,
Yeah.
which means they probably got $100 worth of glue in it. But that whole thing is packed underneath, you know?
Yeah. But it's no kind of metal.
No, sir. I'd like a bigger, longer screwdriver. I don't care if it's a new one.
Getting a little hot close up there.
Yeah, a little. Man, it smells bad. Just give that a minute to do whatever it's going to do. Alright.
This is called giving a hot foot. I'm sorry.
Yeah, the one guy said to me, he said, if you get this foot hot enough, does he roar? I thought that was pretty good.
Yeah, if you get it hot enough, it'll eat you.
Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of amazing to think these things are actually out there in real life.
I know. Yeah, this is probably a quarter of the, or a half the size of what they really are.
Yeah. Something tells me that guy might have. Yeah. You don't want to meet him.
No, no. He'll eat you and he won't cry about it.
No.
He'll be picking you out of his teeth.
Boy, that smells. Not factory.
Yeah.
So actually, both of them are.
Do you think you're gonna have to shape something for this one? I mean, there's a lot of glue in there.
Yeah, no, it's going to take a ton of metal to fill this.
Yeah, yeah.
I'll easily put a few more pounds in there at $55 a pound.
Yeah.
But what can you do? I mean, I can't weld glue.
Nope.
Yeah, there is some sand too. I need to.
Yeah.
I don't have to go back if I can find some more sand. No, I'll go through.
These are the repairs.